Hi friends, so in this video we will learn about the JavaScript. What is a JavaScript? JavaScript is one of the uh, three languages which is used in the web browser. In order to run the website in the browser, we need three languages essential: HTML, CSS and JavaScript. HTML and CSS comes to the design part, and JavaScript comes to the logic part, and also the whatever the animations or any dynamic structure if you want to show it in the website. So it will be useful. JavaScript will be useful. If you go to the Wikipedia and if you see about the JavaScript, if you see here, JavaScript is a programming language that conforms to the ECMAScript specifications. This means ECMAScript is nothing but the JavaScript. ECMAScript and JavaScript is one and the same only. Right now what the stable version running is ECMAScript 2020. Now there are so many advanced features in the ES6 or ES 2015 representation, we can say, but old browsers doesn't support that ES6. For example, if you go to IE11 or IE browsers, ECMAScript 2020 version will not be supported. Why? Because that one is that browser is developed long back before the ECMAScript introduction, ECMAScript 2020 introduction. So that is the reason. So ECMAScript old version ES5 only it will be working. So we will be writing that one both in the ES6 representation and also in the ES5 representation we can write. For ES6 representation, what we need to do is, if you write the code in the JavaScript latest version, we need to use some type of compilers so that it could be converted into the old version. That is the reason we will be using Babel compiler, Rollup compiler. These are the compilers we will be using. So what we can say is JavaScript is an dynamic programming language. Dynamic programming language means, for example, for a variable you can assign a string, and immediately if you go down you can assign a integer or anything values you can set. JavaScript runs only in the web browsers only. So if you go here and if you see any website, JavaScript runs in the web browser only. But there are some languages like Node.js which runs in the server side also. The Node.js has so many features related to the server side, but the core language what we will be using is the JavaScript only. And what we can say is, in the JavaScript have the syntax similar to Java only. It oftenly said as curly based language, we can also say. Now it has a prototypes, object oriented representation, and all those things you will be having. If you come to the history and all those things, you will be able to see all. JavaScript is the dominant client-side scripting language of the web. Within 95% of websites using it for this purpose. So 95% of the websites, all the websites in the web world, we will be for the client side, in order to execute, we will be using in the JavaScript only. So nowadays you will be able to see that using JavaScript we are able to develop mobile applications also. They are called as hybrid applications, something like Ionic Framework, React Native, and these all things we will be using for the mobile applications. And also JavaScript is the base for all the frameworks also. JavaScript library frameworks, which are whatever the frameworks coming in recent nowadays, something like Angular, Vue.js, React.js, and all those things are developed based on the JavaScript language only. So that means JavaScript is the basic foundation for all these type of frameworks. So in order to learn this Vue.js, Angular or React and all the things, you should be more familiar with the JavaScript library. If you are familiar with the JavaScript library, then you will be able to understand Angular or Vue.js or anything very easily. So this is the overall introduction of the JavaScript. So in the later videos we will see how we can the topic in later videos we will cover all the topics related to the JavaScript, and also we will see some of the examples also. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.